Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a lollipop. So let's get started. First, let's draw a small circle.
Okay, buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.